Mom, you here?
Son, the village is flooded. Everything got washed away with the floods. My work, my home, my everything is finished. I came to live with you.
With me? How can you stay with me all of a sudden, Mom?
Why, son?
Uh, 1 minute, Mom. I have to ask Swara. Swara? Swara?
Who's there? Mom? Why have you come here?
There has been flood in the village and everything has been washed there. So Mom has come to live with us.
Hey, why would she live with us? No, I cannot let anyone stay in my home. You should make your arrangements somewhere else. I have my only son. If I can't stay with this person, then with whom I'll stay? You go to your maternal house, go to your daughter. She will keep you. Why should we keep you? The maternal home is from the mom daughter in law. And it's been years my mom is no more. Now with whom I'll stay there? Look, you see it, what you have to do, what not. But we can't keep you with us. Sagar, send her away quickly.
Mom, I can't let you stay here without Swara's permission. Now, if I want to spend my life with her, I'll have to do as she says. So it's in your best interest to go away from here.
Son, can I sit here for a while? And I would like to talk to you.
Mom, your talk will cause a fight in my house, so you should go away from here. Tell me, sister, how did you come here?
Brother, you know it very well. The village is flooded and everything is destroyed.
I heard it in the news. It happened very bad.
That's why I came here. My village home is completely destroyed. Can I stay here for some days with you?
In my house? What are you saying, sister? There are 3 rooms in my house, and my son is getting married next month. One room is mine, one is my daughter's, and one is my son's. There is no room vacant here, so how can you stay here?
Brother, I can sleep in this hall only.
Here in the hall? What are you saying, sister? How can my sister sleep here in the hall?
But I don't have any problem, brother.
But I have, sister. Would I like it if my sister sleep here in the hall? Uh, why don't you go to your son's house?
I went to him only, brother. Forget about asking me to stay. He didn't even ask me for a glass of water. He asked me to leave from gate only.
Hmm. Then tell me, when your son refused to keep you, then how can I keep you, eh? Forgive me, please.
It's okay. I can understand, brother. When my only son didn't support me, so what complaint will I have from you?
No, sister. You are misunderstanding me. If I had an extra room in my house, I would have kept you.
It's okay, brother, to keep someone, not a big room. You need to have a big heart. I'll go, brother.
Uh, if you say so, I'll make a tea for you.
No, brother, no need of that. Where were you, mom? Your phone was not reachable. I tried calling you, and me and Sanju went to the village. But you weren't there either. Hey, but why did you go to the village? As soon as we came to know that the village was flooded, so me and Sanju went to take you, but you aren't there either. Everything is destroyed, daughter. I left my home. The work I was doing, I lost that as well. Nothing is left. Mother, you are safe now. We can build home again. We can find work again. Daughter, won't you ask that why I'm here? Yes, tell me now. Daughter, I have no place to stay. I went to Sagar. His wife refused. Swara refused, so what did Sagar say? Sagar said, whatever his wife will say, he will do that. Is he crazy? Doesn't he know what is right or wrong? Or he's doing what she's saying? And if mother won't go to her son, then where she will go? Slave of his wife. Then I went to your uncle so that I'll live with him. But he made excuse of a room and he didn't allow me. There was no way for me. That's why I came to you. In my daughter's home, I never drank even a glass of water. I came here to live with her. Will you guys keep me with you? Mom, is there anything to ask? If you won't live with us, then where you will live? And brother has so big house, 5 rooms. When I went there, he was telling me, it's for temple, it's for dogs, it's mine, it's for guest. He has room for dogs, but not for his mother. Daughter, these days people love animals more than humans. You are right, mother. No need to go anywhere. Your daughter is alive. You are going to live with your daughter. But daughter, you have only 2 rooms. So what, mom? Kids will sleep with us or you can sleep with kids. What is the problem? Daughter once asked son-in-law. Wait, I'll just call him. Sanju, come outside for once. Mother is here.
Hello, Mom.
Namaste.
When did you come?
Just I came right now. Actually, Sanju, because of floods in the village, our home is destroyed and what mother used to work, we lost that work as well. So, mother will stay with us.
So, yes, of course. What's the problem? You can stay here.
She was asking that, ask Sanju once.
Mom, what do you need to ask me? This house is as much as Ria's as it is mine. And we ourselves went to pick you up when we came to know that there is a flood. But neither did we find you and the phone was also switched off.
My phone was destroyed in water. Daughter, I'm so happy that you got a life partner like Sanju. Work, which my son should have done. My son-in-law is doing that.
And Mom, no matter what I do, I can never match what you have done for me.
But what I have done for you?
You gave me such a wonderful daughter. What more can you do?
You both are very good. And I wanted to say you one thing. I have some money. Both of you keep them. Mom, so much money? From where you got that? Daughter, they all are my savings. And after all this, now I'm not feeling working at all. And I don't have stamina in my body. I thought whoever will keep me with them, I'll give all this money to him. So this money you guys can keep?
No, Mom, we don't want to keep this money. And we're not keeping you for this money.
I know. That's why I'm giving them to you. If Sagar would be knowing that, he would have asked me to stay in the greed of this money.
No, Mom, we don't want it. And we are happy that you are staying with us. You can help Ria, you can take care of her children. And it is very important to have an elder in the house.
So son, what can I do with this money? You keep them with you. You can do one thing. You keep them with you. Keep them in your account. And if in future we will need them, we will take them from you.
Yes.
Yes, this is fine. Okay, I'll bring some tea.
Yep. You sit and talk to Mom. I'll bring the tea.
Sanju knows how to cook tea. He cooks amazing tea.